Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are liking the recipes onto my channel. There have been a lot of requests around masala paneer, so here I am with this new recipe. We will just need 4 good ingredients. That's the first ingredient, the kitchen king. We are taking 1 big tablespoon of kitchen king, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust the salt quantity. 50 grams of normal paneer I've taken here. So here is a mixture for tomatoes, onion, garlic and green chilies. You can remove garlic if you don't wish to, so I have actually sorted them in 1 big tablespoon of oil, and now I'm going to grind all of these ingredients with good half a cup of water. I have taken 1 big tablespoon of olive oil here, so that's the mixture for kitchen king. A little bit of red food color I have used here and little bit of pav bhaji masala. I'm going to coat my paneer cubes here, so this is the red color I'm being using here, orange red. You can skip if you don't wish to. I'll coat each and every paneer slice here likewise. There is a equivalent coating, so I'm going to fry these paneer cubes. So here is the mixture. Post grinding it out, I am inverting this mixture plus adding on little bit of water here so that we can make a good thick curry out of this mixture. Post that, we're going to cook this mixture for around 10 to 15 good odd minutes on the lower flame so that we don't miss on any of the flavor that's being indulged in the paneer cubes as well as in the curry as well. So post 15 minutes you'll be ready to serve this yummy delicious recipe. You can serve it with hot rotis, even with naans. This recipe is pretty easy, even bachelors can make it, and here is the quick recipe look. I hope you liked it. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck, bye bye.